How to use Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video will be a beginner's tutorial on how you can use Instagram. So most of you already are familiar with Instagram and already know how to use it, but still this is a video for beginners who don't know how to use Instagram or who are confused with a certain aspect of Instagram. So I'll go through the details on everything you need to know about Instagram and on how you can use it. So first and foremost, go to either your App Store or your Play Store and simply search for Instagram and simply download the Instagram app. Now once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now as soon as you open the Instagram app, your home interface will look somewhat like this, where if you already have an account, you can simply log in by entering your username, email address, mobile number, and finally your password. But since we don't have an account, we'll simply create a new one by tapping the option create new account. After that, it will basically provide you two different options. So you can either use your phone number to create an account, or you can also use your email address to create an account. So in my case, I'll simply sign up using my email address. So I'll enter my email address over here. Now tap on the option next. After that, they will send a confirmation code to either your email address or your phone number, whichever one you chose. So simply enter the confirmation code over here. Now I'll simply wait for my code. So this is my code right over here, 650182. After that, tap on the option next. Now create a new password for your Instagram account. So I'll simply create a new one and then tap on the option next. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can save your login info on this device, but if you don't, tap on the option not now. Now you'll have to enter your date of birth. Now tap on the option next. After that, enter your full name over here, and then it will suggest you a username for your Instagram account. Now if you like the default suggested username, you can simply tap on the option next, but if you want to set a custom username, you can simply do so by making changes to this username right over here. Now if the username is available, it will simply show a green tick and you can tap on the option next. But if the username is not available, you can simply edit it until it is a uniquely available username and then tap on the option next. Now agree to the Instagram's terms and policies. And now if you want, you can add a profile picture to your Instagram account, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And just like that, you have successfully created an Instagram account. Now it will ask you to provide some permission access over here. So if you want Instagram to access your contacts, tap on the option allow, but if you don't, tap on the option don't allow. And similarly, if you want to get Facebook suggestions, you can tap on the option continue, but if you don't, tap on the option skip, and same with remember login info as well. Now it will ask you to first of all follow 5 or more people, so you can simply choose the people and then tap on the option next. After that, if you want to turn on notifications, tap on the option turn on, but if you don't, tap on the option skip. And as you can see, you have successfully created an Instagram account. Now this is your Instagram account homepage. So let me simply go through the homepage. So this is your homepage where you basically swipe down and these are the Instagram posts over here. Now you can simply view the Instagram post. They may be photos or videos. Now if you want to like the post, you can either double tap on the photo or video, or you can simply tap on this heart icon right over here. After that, if you want to leave a comment, you can simply leave a comment right over here. And let's say you just want to view the caption, you can do so by tapping this option right over here. After that, this is the share icon, which basically means you can share this post to some of your followers, your friends. You can copy the link, you can add this post to your story, you can share this externally, you can share it to your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Threads, Messages, Snapchat, etc. And finally, the final option is save. You can simply save these photos or videos and you can access them later on. Now in the home page, you will only see the posts of people whom you follow, or sometimes you can also see sponsored posts. So if you want to change this, let's say you don't want to see Neymar Jr.'s post from now on, you can simply view their profile by tapping their name right over here. And then you can see various things such as they have 5,614 posts, they have 222 million followers, and they follow 1,791 people. As you can see, you are currently following them, so that's why you are seeing their posts on your feed. So if you want to unfollow them, simply tap on this option and then you will have various options such as you can add them to your close friends list, you can mute them, you can restrict them, or finally you can unfollow them. And similarly, if you want, you can also message them or send them an email. Now that is basically your Instagram home feed. If you look closely on the bottom side of the screen, you can see 5 different options. The first one is the home. It obviously looks like a home icon. The second one looks like a magnifying icon, which is the search icon or the explore page. Here you can explore various stuff such as various reels, various photos, various videos from people all over the world. Now if you want to view some random photos, you can simply go here, you can view the videos, you can view the photos, and most importantly, if you want, you can also search people over here. So let's say you simply want to search someone, or you want to search someone's profile. You can simply do so by tapping their name over here. So for now, I'll simply choose Cristiano Ronaldo. After that, if you want to follow them, you can simply tap on the option follow. And if you want to send them a message, tap on the option message, and you can simply send them a message from your DMs. Now that is the purpose of your explore page. Now let's talk about the third option, which is the add icon. Now from this option, you can simply add photos and videos to your Instagram profile, or you can also add them to your story, or you can make a reel, or finally you can make an Instagram live. So if you want to post something to your Instagram, you can simply select photos or videos and then tap on the option next. After that, since this is a video, it will simply go to Instagram Reels, but let's say you just want to post a picture to your Instagram profile. So for now, I'll simply choose this photo right over here. Now I'll tap on the option next. After that, it'll ask you to find your vibe. You can simply choose various filters Instagram will provide. You can simply play around with the filters, the intensity and stuff. After that, if you want to add music to your post, you can tap on the option music right over here. After that, simply choose the song which you would like to play on your post and then tap on the option done. After that, tap on the option next. You can manage your settings. Now you can write a caption over here. I'll simply type in coffee. After that, if you want, you can tag people, the music, the audience, the location, if you want to share this to your Facebook account or not, and finally the advanced settings, such as whether you'd like to hide like and view count, turn off commenting, automatic sharing to Facebook, write alt text, etc. And once you tap on the option share, you'll have successfully shared a photo or a video to your Instagram profile, or you have posted it. So that is basically how you post something on your Instagram profile. Now if you want to add a story, there are basically 2 ways on how you can do that. So the first way is obviously tapping the plus icon and then tap on the option story. Now you will be taken to this page where you can basically click a photo, or you can simply choose a photo from your gallery. So for now, I'll simply choose a photo, click a photo, and now you have various options to add to your story, such as you have a text. You can add a text, you can customize the text. You have various stickers over here. You can mention people, add a location, add frames, ask questions, add GIFs, avatar, music. You can add your own templates. You can add a cutout, poll, all the various stuffs like that. You can also add the time sticker right over here, and most importantly, you can add the music over here. After that, the music option is right over here. Now you can add the music using 2 ways. You can tap the music option, or you can go through the stickers. It is basically the same. After that, if you want to add filters to your Instagram story, you can simply do so and then tap on the option done. After that, if you want to draw something, you can tap on the option draw and then draw on your story. And finally, if you want to save this to your gallery, tap on the option save. Now once it has been saved, it will basically provide you 2 different options. You can either add this to your story or only your close friend's story. So for now, I'll simply tap on the option your story, and you'll have added it to your story. Now talking about the 4th option on Instagram, it is basically the Instagram Reels option, where you can see various short form content on Instagram. So you can simply go down or go up depending on your preference, and if you want to like a reel, you can simply do so by tapping the option like, or you can simply double tap. You can view the comments, you can share this reel to your friends or followers. So that is basically it for the Instagram Reels. And now the final option is your Instagram profile. So once you tap on it, you can see your profile right over here. This is your username, this is your first name, this is your profile picture. You have 0 posts, so you can see you have 0 followers, 6 following. If you want to increase or decrease this, you can do so. You can see your posts over here, you can see your reels over here, and you can see the posts other people have tagged you in from this option right over here. Now if you'd like to edit profiles such as your name, your bio, your profile picture, your username, you can do so by tapping the option edit profile. And if you want to share your profile to someone, tap on the option share profile. So for now, I'll simply leave all of these over here, and let's simply go to the Instagram settings. So to do that, tap on these 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen, and then you will see various options right over here. So if you want to view your account center, go to the option account center, and then you can see various options such as your password and security, your personal details, your information and permission. You can simply go through all of these settings right over here and find the setting which you want to. After that, you have your saved right over here. As I mentioned earlier, you can simply save certain posts you like to view in the future, and this is the place where it all gets collected. After that, you can see the archive. Now you don't really need this option as of now as a beginner, so we'll simply skip this process. You can view your Instagram activity by tapping the option your activity, and similarly for the notification settings, the time spent, the account privacy, you can either make your account a public account or a private account. You can add friends to your close friends over here, and you can remove them from here as well. And similarly for the blocked accounts as well, you can simply block people on your Instagram, and if you want to unblock them, simply come to this option and then you can unblock them from here. And similarly goes to the hide story and live. Let's say you want to hide your story from a particular follower, you can simply hide them, and later on if you want to unhide them, you can simply come to this option and do so. Now other options include message and story replies. This is the place where you can basically control how people can reach you, whether they can reply to your story, whether they can message you, and you can also change your activity status. So if you want to show your activity status, you can simply toggle this bar right over here. But if you don't want other people to see that you're active, you can simply untoggle this bar and you'll have turned off your activity status. Similarly, tags and mentions, comments, and all other things over here, you can simply limit them. You can simply make changes to them. After that, you have your favorites, muted accounts, suggested content, and like and share count. Similarly, if you scroll down, you have a bunch of various options. You can simply go through all of them. You can choose the option, or you can simply search for the option. After that, let's try logging out of our Instagram account. Simply tap on the option log out, and then it will ask you before you log out, add your account to the same account center. So I'll simply tap on the option no log out now, and there you have it. So that is basically how you log out of your Instagram account. Now in order to log back into your account, if your profile is already here, you can simply tap on the option login. But if your account is not here, you can tap on the option login to another account. After that, enter your username, email, or your phone number over here, and then enter your password, and then tap on the option login. And now it will ask you to save your login info, so you can either choose to save or not save. So that is basically how you log into your Instagram account. Now once you're on your home page, you can simply view other people's story by tapping on their story right over here. You can simply swipe to the left or swipe to the right depending upon your preference. Now if you swipe directly to the left, it will simply skip the stories in between. But if you want to view all of the stories, you can simply tap once on the direction you'd like to swipe, and doing so you can view the stories of other people, or basically your following. Now this heart icon right over here is the notification center for your Instagram account, where you can see all of your notifications over here. You can see who liked your story, who liked your post, who commented on your post, etc. And this right over here is the DM section of Instagram, where you can simply DM other people on your Instagram. You can DM your friends, your followers, and your followings. So to DM them, you can simply tap on their chat and then send them a message. Now once you tap on the option send, you'll have successfully started a chat on your Instagram account, or in other words, we call them DMs. So that is basically how you use Instagram. So that was a basic beginner's guide on Instagram and how you can use it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, do make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. With that being said, thank you so much for watching.